Hi, this is Taylor from the Freeport Community Library, here to show you how to make Monster Tic-Tac-Toe. The first step is to take the lid from your silver box and grab your marker and draw a tic-tac-toe board on it. It might help to grab the side of the instructions to help you draw the lines straight. Make sure you make the squares big enough to fit one wool ball inside. Now it's time to get creative and make your wool balls into monsters. Use glue dots, cut out pieces of felt, and cut up pieces of yarn to make each of your monsters different. It helps with the glue dots to press the material that you want to stick onto the glue dot first and then get it off the paper. And make sure you press firmly when you put the glue dots onto your monster. It'll help it stick better. You can draw on the wool balls with your Sharpie to make things like eyes or patterns. And that's all there is to it. Once you finish your monsters, you can play tic-tac-toe with a friend. If you've never played tic-tac-toe before, you need 2 players and each player chooses a color. Then you take turns playing your monsters one at a time in an empty square. The first person to get 3 in a row wins. Have fun creating!